Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make my protein pancakes. All you're going to need is one measuring cup, some peanut butter, half a banana, egg whites, and some protein powder. I prefer whey isolate and I usually go for the vanilla kind. Anyways, so what you're going to do is put half the banana into the measuring cup and microwave that for a minute so it's nice and loose and it's not solid. Then you mix it up like so, and then you pour approximately half a cup of egg whites in there. And then I also put 1 to 2, 1.5 I think I did in this, cups or spoons of protein powder. And this is a great time if you wanted to add blueberries, strawberries, you name it. I chose not to do so. And then after you make the batter, you mix it up quite a bit so it's nice and mixed. Of course, you don't want any protein chunks and stuff like that. Then you go on your pan, you pour some olive oil, that's the one I use. Make sure that the pan is heated, of course. And then you pour some of your pancake batter onto the stove, and then you simply just wait. I usually wait until I see the outside perimeter edges are nice and firm and they've browned. And I make sure I check that by using a fork like so. Once I think it's cooked on the bottom good enough, I make a cut through the middle so I can flip it more easily. Obviously if I used a spatula it would probably be the smartest thing, but I don't have a spatula. Yeah, so you're gonna see here I checked it. I think I needed a few more minutes, so I put it on there for a few more and then I flipped it like so. Generally I put it on high heat, and once I put the batter in I put it on high heat and wait 5 minutes, and then I flip it and then I wait another 3 minutes. So there you go, that's what it looks like in the end. I have two halves and then I put them on top of each other and pour the peanut butter. Peanut butter is used as my topping of choice. Of course you can use syrup, obviously try and aim for low sugar syrup, but I just use peanut butter. I think it tastes great, but I'm personally quite obsessed with peanut butter. I use peanut butter for everything. Anyways guys, if you thought this video was interesting, please give it a thumbs up. You can always download my free ebook at thesimplefitprogram.com. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below and share it with your friends if you think it's going to be useful for them. Thank you, and catch you in the next video.